Chefs love roasting meat on the bone. Since I'm deboning this one, I gotta make sure I'm putting moisture and flavor right back in. First incision you wanna make is right around the bone. You wanna make sure you know exactly where the meat ends. Next, you wanna take the tip of your knife and follow the bone as far as you can. It's so simple to debone a leg of lamb. And if you really don't feel like doing it, you can always ask your butcher. When I'm doing this, I want to take my time. I don't want to make a hole so that our marinade escapes. Now that I've removed the bone, I want to even out the meat so I maximize the surface area. It means more place to put marinade and flavor. Now I've butterflied my lamb leg. I'm cutting slits into the flesh to make sure all that marinade has somewhere to go. Now, lamb loves fresh herbs, and that's what we're giving it. Parsley, rosemary, and the big flavors of garlic, lemon, and anchovy. The character for umami in Chinese is actually made up of the words fish and lamb. I'm using olive oil, classic pairing for this Italian salsa verde. Time to get this marinade deep into that lamb. Remember those slits? This is why it's so important. Chopped spinach. This is gonna give us that deep green stuffing on the inside. Tying up a roast is so easy. Just cut the length of string and lie it underneath your roast. Tying up your roast ensures even cooking, and even more importantly, keeps the marinade we work so hard for inside. That's a beautiful leg of lamb. I made sure to keep half that marinade for the outside. Reverse searing is the best technique for cooking a large roast like this. You get even tenderness from end to end, and it's so easy. Just low temperature for a long, extended period of time. Now it's time to sear outside. The whole time, I've been building layers of flavor, and that's what this is, another layer of caramelization and flavor. Now, typically, this should be the time where the roast rests. Not needed. It's been cooking at such a low temperature, we can slice right away. Now this is the moment I've been looking forward to. Super juicy, tender lamb, umami forward, and delicious. I was wondering where you were. I knew though, as soon as you smelled this, you'd be coming my way.